Jillian V. Cachero.
First of all, I hope you the happiest birthday, and I've never been so grateful to have you as my bestie, despite of us not talking because we're so busy with school. But when we do, you still make my day as bright as you are. But nothing has changed. We've known each other since grade 7, before the pandemic even. I can't believe now that you are 18, as if as time has gone by so quickly. You're such a talented and incredible person that I've ever met. Well, you already know that since you're such a, I love you so much. You're my happiest birthday.
Thank you so much. A picture with all the people. Let's now proceed and call in Jade Laka.